Hi, this is Dr. Ramu, working as a Dean, Career Development Center, NRCM Engineering College, Hyderabad. So, as a part of the coding culture, we did the first step. All the students are registered in the HackerRank. Now, our task is you have to solve the problems in the HackerRank. Might be some students may struggle to solve the problems. To overcome that issue, I am creating the video tutorial for the each and every problem. My request is before going to watch this video, first try from your end, right? If you are unable to solve the problem and you didn't get any guidance, then only you watch the video to solve the particular problem, right? And before going to the problem explanation, I want to explain our leaderboard. So this is the leaderboard created for the HackerRank from our college. So initially we equipped the data with the first year and second year students. Later we include the third year students data as well in this tutorial. In the leaderboard, right? And here you can search your scores based on roll number, right? And branch wise toppers. For example, see if you want to see the who is the toppers in the ECE, right? You just apply the ECE, then you will get the all ECE toppers. It's the first student, and you can check the right year wise toppers, and you can check the branch wise toppers and mentor wise, and also you can see here the performance is based on here the scale is there, right? I want to see the who is the toppers who received the more than 120, right? So only one student received the 120 score. Like that we can use this leaderboard to check your performance and compare your reference, and same you have to take the right challenge to solve the problems. And my sincere request is don't search for the shortcuts, right? Even you get the 620 points by using the shortcuts, you didn't get anything. That is the keep in your mind. Video tutorial will learn how to solve the playing with characters problem. Today's video we are going to learn this problem. The problem name is sum and difference of two numbers, right? The main aim of this problem is it is going to teach you how to read the integer float data from the input, right? And you just observe the code here. Your task is to take two numbers of int data type and two numbers of float data type as a input, right? Declare the four variables. Two variables is a type of integer and two variables is a type of float, and read the two lines of input. Please remember the given instructions very clearly, right? And next use the plus operator and minus operator to perform the following operations like addition and subtraction. See the input format. The first line contains two integers and the second line contains two float numbers. And output format, print the sum and difference of both integers separated by space and the first line, and the sum and difference of both float separated by space. So this is the input 10 and 4, and output and float values 4 and 2. These are the inputs because this is the integer part and this is the float part. If a task is to print the result, this is the sum and this is the difference. And coming to the same float value is sum and difference, but please remember the sum and difference of the float values should be print up to 1 decimal, right? I'll show you here. First you will take the two integer variables a comma b. These are the integer variables a comma b, and take the two float values, right? X comma y. Done. Now next task is you need to read the data, right? So scanf of, right, percentage d and percentage d, because you are going to read the two values, right? Ampersand a and ampersand b. Done. I have it two integer values. Next my task is I need to read the two float values. Scanf of percentage f, right, and the percentage f, same ampersand x comma ampersand y. Two integer values and I have two float values with me, right? Next my task is I need to find the sum of two integer values and difference of two integer values. For that I'm going to write in the same printf of percentage d space percentage d, and next line I have to print the float values, right? That's why I'm using the slash n here. After that, ampersand a minus, sorry, first addition, right? A plus b, next a minus b. Done. Next task is I need to print the printf percentage af, right? Percentage f x plus y comma x minus y. Done. Got it? Now if you run the code, see the output. So here 10 and 4, output is 6 zeros are coming, 6 decimals, but according to our problem statement, scale to 1 decimal place. That is why we are getting the wrong answer. How to control the decimal part? So you just use, instead of the percentage f, you just use the 0.1f, means 1 decimal. Right, here also use the 0.1f. Run the code. And your output is getting wrong answer. Sorry, here I am using ampersand, right? That is wrong. We never use the ampersand in the printf statement, right? If you use the printf statement as an ampersand, it is going to give the address, but here our task is not address, right? See, the output came. Done. Right? Okay. Thank you.